I'm gonna tell you how you can get more hooks inside the bed of your Chevy or GMC pickup truck. This is one of the lower models, so this is a Colorado. However, these hooks also work for the Canyon, the GMC Canyon. And these hooks come stock inside the bed. However, there's only 4 of those hooks throughout the entire bed, and they're all at the bottom of the bed. So if you actually try to hook something in, it's not as convenient as having more hooks. And obviously, car people like to put a bunch of stuff in the bed of their truck. So this is actually my dad's truck. It's a 2015 Chevy Colorado. And like I said, he bought some hooks that I'm going to show you right now. As I mentioned, these ones are the stock ones. They come in all 4 corners of the truck bed. And ultimately, there are holes for more already pre-done inside the truck bed, and you just need to buy the right hooks to fit in. And so these hooks right here, there's actually 6 of them that he added in, and these are higher up and added into the spots where, once again, it's at a higher spot that you can wrap things in or strap things down. It gives you more options, and he put in 6 of them. So now he has essentially 5 hooks on both sides of the truck. And what's great about these is, first of all, it takes about a minute to a minute and a half to install each hook. It is really not a lot of time. It's just a 1/2-inch wrench and it goes very quick. What's even better is that you can actually put them in different spots as well. So these little caps that are right here, that's also a spot that you could put a hook. So I'll show you on this side. This would be, once you pop out that plastic cap, this is what it would look like. And then you would put a piece inserted here. And then once you turn that bolt, it would lock itself into place. I don't know how much force you can actually put on these aftermarket hooks. However, they're pretty solid. And to test them, when I first put these hooks in, I put a strap from here to here and just ratcheted as tight as I could. And it was pretty much holding just fine. And the truck bed wasn't moving that much. So in reality, this is a very easy way to add more hooks to your GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado of specific years. I'll link the product down in the description, so feel free to check that out there. And definitely stay tuned for more products that we love. Like this video if it was helpful, and leave a comment down in the comment section if you have something for us as well. Until next time.